8 bags are ours, so it's not too bad. I figured you don't want me doing any more today.
If you feel like you can, go. It's up to you.
I can, but I'd rather not push it because if I overdo it, I'm worried that I'll hurt myself more because I'm feeling no pain with the baclofen and the treatment today. So, no, you're fine. So, and I'll get the rest of that done either tomorrow or Wednesday. I'll get the rest of it done. I barely touched. I put $40 in that set and barely touched any. Maybe 25, $30 bonus. Not even. I did really good. Oh. Oh. Thanks for that. Oh, shit. I dropped my purse.
All your candy over there?
Huh?
All your candy over there? Look at it.
Yeah, I gotta clean that pretzels up. I'm doing that. You got me the broom. Where's the broom, sweet pea? Can you grab me the broom, please? I gotta clean the mess up. Okay. Yeah. She's gonna have mac and cheese with wieners, and she wants to know if you want some.
No.
I'm not hungry yet, though. See, I cleaned up my mess. Right now, I'm not feeling pain. No, that's good. Put the bag down. No, I'm gonna put that in the room.
Oh, shit. See, now you're done.
My ankle just gave out.
You just, no, because you stepped on a freaking cat.
No, it wasn't a cat.
Yes, it was, a cat.
Oh, a cat.
C-A-P. C-A-P, honey. Oh, my God. Are you okay? You're just down for the count now.
Oh, ankle.
Which one?
The bad one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Are you okay, Mom? No, it just gave out.
Yeah. No, because you stepped on a
No,
cat.
that's not
This
what
one
it
right
was.
here.
It gave out before.
If you didn't step on
Oh.
this, you would have been fine.
Oh my God. I put my brace on and I can still do them tomorrow. Ooh.
Oh, God.
Take the sock off.
You gonna lay down like that now?
Just for a minute.
Oh.
I'm behind you here, Mom. My room. Yep. That's what I'm doing.